Let's start.
Yes.
Hello everyone, namaste.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Namaste, sir.
Good evening and namaste. How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, this is afternoon. Okay,
Good afternoon, sir.
thank you, thank
Good
you.
afternoon, sir.
Namaste, Purav. So I wish I can see at least some of them. We have 52 students here, and then I cannot see a single face. See, I cannot teach the dance to the laptop. Okay, so I have to teach the students. Okay, I get the habit of doing dancing with the children. Okay, I dance with my son. I dance with all the girls in my class. So and boys also. Okay, at least few students can switch on their but don't eat and dance or don't sleep or yeah, you to at least sit in the chair, and we are going to do some beautiful movements of the dancing so that you will get out of the stress and tension. Let me see who will switch on the first camera. I want to see at least few people, few children, those who have yes, super Jayesh. Thank you, Prithvi. Super, Amay, thank you. And very nice to see you, three people. Super, very good, Poonam. Okay, Poonam. Okay, if you can write your name so that I can call you. Super, Jayesh, Leena Agrawal. Okay, thank you, some of the children. Very nice. And we are going to have so much of fun in this. We are 20 minutes late, children, but no problem. We will start now due to this technological things. Okay, I'm Pratik Ganesh Yadav. You have to rename your thing. I cannot remember so many people, around 50 students are there. Okay, so Omkar, we have Amay and Prithvi, Prithviraj, and okay, I can see some of the students. Super. So okay, all the boys only are champions here. I don't see any girls. Okay, come on, girls. Let me see who will switch on their camera first. Okay, at least few girls. I want who can I can see them dancing. Okay. Uh, Okay, Aryan. We have Aryan, Amay, Prithviraj, Jayesh. Okay, at least one girl I want to see dancing. I want to see her talking with me. Okay, not only dancing. So at least okay. I cannot see here. Hey, it's a hey. छोटं कसं करायचं? Okay, yeah, no, I got it. I got it. Okay, let's start with the prayer. Girl, students, let's do it. Join your hands, sit straight, sit on the chair, sit comfortably, wherever you are in the part of this world. Join your hands. Everything we start with a prayer. Okay, this is integrated fine arts. So we will start with a prayer. Close your eyes, sit straight. शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्ते शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि नृत्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Rub your palms together, place them on your eyes, and gently open your eyes. Super. Okay, so beautiful morning today, and very nice to see you all. We will start with something because there is For the ninth and 10th, no, it's so much of stress, tension, and studies, and you have to do so many things. And because of the corona, you are not going to meet each other, and that we have to release through this movement. So we are going to do something in the end, dance meditation. Yeah, you heard some music was coming before that one. That was the music of dance meditation, and we are going to do some moving movements of the hands and legs and body and breathe. And we will have the dance meditation to release your stress, tension of studies. Okay. So, but before that, let's start with uh, what is my name? Can anybody? Okay, but my son is there. So my name is Srinivas Katwe. You have to remember my name. You can call me as Srini. Okay, can anybody say my name? Srini.
Shrini.
Wow, super Atar. Thank you. Atar. Yes, you can call me directly Srini. So yeah, Srinivas is a long name.
Shrini,
No?
sir.
Yes, Srini sir, or you can call me. So Srinivas is a long name, so it's difficult to call. So you can just call me Srini. And for 1 hour we will be like we are dancing. I'm with you, and we are going to have some fun. Okay, so let's start. Can anybody knows what is Bharatanatyam? Can anybody tell me what is Bharatanatyam?
A classical form of dance.
Correct, Aryan. Super. So Aryan is giving all the answers. Classical Indian classical dance form. Okay. So can anybody elaborate that one? Because I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer. If you see my YouTube channel, you can see so many Bharatanatyam compositions I have did it. So, but before that, you should know what is Bharatanatyam. Okay. So can anybody tell me what is Bharatanatyam? So Bha and R and T.
B means bhava,
Okay.
R means raga,
Okay.
and T means tal.
Okay, super. Thank you, Prithvi. So Bha is Bhava and R is Raga, T is Thala. What is mean by Bhava? Okay, I don't want Prithvi to say it now because he must be know that one.
Emotion.
So, yeah, yes, Aryan.
Emotion.
Emotion. Okay,
Feelings,
super. Yes, yes.
feelings,
Feelings, yes, super. Very good. I, ma'am, हे करा ना थोड़ा सा. नहीं, I want everyone to be seen. Okay, I like somebody said emotion. Bhava is feelings. Somebody said emotion. Okay, I did not see her name. I think, yeah, tight. Yes, I want this one. Close. Okay, let it be. Why this is not coming? Okay, bhava is emotion. So there are how many types of bhava? Can anybody tell me? Just think of something. Which are how many bhavas are there? Spotlight. एवढंच आहे. ठीक आहे. माझं छोटंसं करता येईल का? पिन आउट करूया त्याला. Okay, so how many bhavas are there? Can anybody tell me? No? Okay, so Aryan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he's there. Okay, super. So there are around 9 facial expressions. Okay, 9 facial expressions. They are according to Bharata's Natya Shastra. Natya Shastra is a book of for the drama, dance, and acting. Okay, how many of you want to go for acting in this? Anybody want to become an actor or actress? No? Nobody wants? Okay, super. So all want to become doctor or engineer or okay. Param Butra said no, sir. Okay, so no problem. Sometimes you can. It's difficult to become actor and actress, but while doing the studies, you can just attend some of the classes, and then you will enjoy the acting thing. Okay, so there are 9 facial expressions. I'll just quickly say the names and then we will go to the next part because I have to finish this session within 1 hour. And I also have another class, another girls are waiting for me. Let's do the first one is Shringara, Hasya, Karuna. So Shringara means love, Hasya means laughter, Karuna means pity. Shringara, Hasya, Karuna, Raudra is anger. Anger. So these all emotions are there in your daily life, and we experience that one. And this will come sometimes in your syllabus also. You can write this one in some of the thing. So Shringara, Hasya, Karuna, Raudra is anger. Bhayanaka. Oh yes, Amay. Super Amay is correct. Adbhut. Adbhut. So there is one dialogue of this one in Tenali Rama. The king used to say Adbhut, Adbhut Tenali Rama. So Adbhut is one type of rasa. So and Shanta. The okay, off feeling. Okay, off feeling is sadness. Yeah. So these are the 9 facial expressions called Shringara, Hasya, Karuna, Raudra, Veera, Bhayanaka, Bibhatsya, Adbhuta, Shanta, Natya, Rasa, Smritaha. So these are the 9 expressions. And Raga. So Bharatanatyam is only not expressions. Okay, there is a singing also. Okay, can anybody is going for singing or something like that? Anybody knows the Saptaswaras? Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Can anybody, one boy or a girl, can sing a Saptaswaras? Anybody? Okay. So music is God. Okay. So you have to keep that in mind and understand the music. Prithvi, can you sing?
Yeah, okay. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa.
Super, Prithvi. Thank you. And see, this, though we are not singers, we have to just enjoy the Saregama Padanisa. They are the property of this conscious world. Okay. So we have to enjoy the Saregama and keep singing the Saregama also. Okay. So before this is the Bharatanatyam, Raga is melody and Tala is rhythm. Can anybody say tam targid dim targid dom targid daga laga 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 laga? How many of you know this dialogue? Tam targid dim targid dom targid laga 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 laga. Can anybody tell me the name of the movie?
Linga.
Yeah?
Linga.
Linga. Okay. Okay. Laka 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 laka. Oh, Chandramukhi, Purva. That's super. Purva and Shri, they said Chandramukhi. This dialogue is there in the Chandramukhi movie, and the name of the hero is Rajinikanth. Okay, so he'll say Tam targid dim targid dom targid nam targid taga tagida taga tagida taga tagida da dingidatam taga ta dingidatam taga tikuta dingidatam tam. Okay, it's so much of fun to say this. This is called Kannokal. Okay, these bowls are called Sollukattu or Kannokal in Bharatanatyam. Okay, there is a separate art of that one to say the tongue twisting, and it's so much of fun. I will explain you something more about that sometime later. Okay. So let's go to the next part. I told what is Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is the combination of bhava, raga, and tala. Tala is the bowls what we use in Bharatanatyam. Okay, boys and girls. Let's go to classical dances of India. Before we go to the next part, I'll just tell you we are going to focus on the four things. Now, one thing is over. The next few minutes, I will just focus on the four things. So, first part is Indian classical dances of India. Second part is your 10th class 10th. One poem is there, Kabir ke Dohe, the first poem, Saki. How many of you know who has written the Saki? Can anybody tell me the author of the Saki? Saki.
Kabir.
Yes, super.
Kabir.
I don't know the name of the Omkar. Yes, Omkar, thank you. Santosh Upalekar is also thank you. You have written it. You have taken the efforts to write. Sant Kabir wrote the poem Saki. And we are going to do one more thing. The congruence of triangles. Okay. So many things we have to do it, but the time is only 1 hour. I cannot take more than 1 hour. Okay, I get bored otherwise. So we will within 20 minutes now. Last few minutes. So congruence of triangle. First rule. What is the first rule? Can anybody tell me of congruence of triangle? That we are going to do it with the movements and with the hand gestures with our body. Can anybody tell me what is the name of the congruence? What is the first rule of congruence? Yes, A. Okay, no. Rajkumar, no, that is not the first rule.
SAS rule.
Yes,
Side
yes,
angle.
Atharva, correct. Correct. Yes, yes, congruence criteria. Okay, that is called criteria. Okay, Prithvi is correcting me. If I'm going wrong, you can correct me, okay, at any time. Okay, if I'm telling anything which you don't agree, you can just say, I don't agree this one. And then you are all free to do that one. Okay, so that is called SAS criteria, congruence rule or criteria of this. That also we are going to do it. And then in the end, we will do it 4 minutes, only 4 minutes dance meditation. And then I'm going to play some music. You have to close your eyes and you have to do the movements wherever you are sitting or you are standing or whatever. I'm going to stand because and do it. If you are there, you have a place to dance, to move or shout, then you can do it. Okay. So let's go to the first part. Indian classical dances of India, of this country. So there are 8. There are 8 classical dances of India. Okay. So starting from later K, there are no. So what dance I'm learning? Can anybody tell me? I'm teaching. What dance I teach to the students? Just now told in the beginning.
Classical.
Classical dance, but what is the name? Bharatanatyam, Usha, Chapkar, very nice, Leena, and Purva, and Samruddhi. Thank you. Super. So I teach to my children Bharatanatyam. So I have completed master degree from Trichirappalli, Tamil Nadu, from Bharati Dasan University, and I have mastered that one. I like that one. I love teaching to the students of boys and girls all over the world. Okay, so first one you have to say my dance, that is Bharatanatyam. Starting from letter K, there are 3 dances. Can anybody tell me? Come on, we have very less time.
Kathak, Kathakali and Kuchipudi.
As super Amay. Is it Amay? Param, you said correctly. Already he said immediately, so no time for this. You are all super. Kuchipudi, Kathakali and Kathak. I want just name is not enough, okay? So I want the place of origin also. So can anybody tell me Bharatanatyam originated from which place?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Super Atharva. Let me see. Kathak originated from which place?
Kerala.
Kerala. No.
Karnataka.
No. Kathak. Kathak originated from which place? Come on. Come on, boys. Kathak. Sakshi, I want Kathak originated from which place?
Kerala.
No.
India.
Yeah.
India.
India, all these classical dances are from India. So you are
Tamil
going,
Nadu?
no, Jayesh, it's not Andhra Pradesh. Yes.
North India.
Uttar Pradesh.
North India, yes, it's North India where Jaipur, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Super Janvi Kalyankar. Okay, super. Thank you. The Kathak originated from Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Jaipur, this north side of India. Can anybody tell me Kathakali?
Kerala.
Kerala, super Amay.
Kerala.
Next, Kathakali, Kuchipudi.
Tamil Nadu.
Andhra Pradesh, Santosh, correct. Not Tamil Nadu. Okay, somebody said Tamil Nadu. Samiksha, correct. Andhra Pradesh. So, so we finished 4. Starting from later, Hasini, correct. AP. AP is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, let's go to starting from later M. There are 2 dances. Can anybody tell me?
Mohiniyattam and Manipuri.
Super Ame, how did you studied Bharatanatyam or Indian classical dances, or you are giving some CBSE or NET exam or something like that?
No,
You're
sir,
giving
no.
all the answers correctly. Super Ame. Yes, Manipuri and Mohiniyattam. Can anybody tell me Mohiniyattam from which place? Come
So
on.
Kerala.
Kerala.
Kerala, correct. And
Kerala.
Manipuri.
Manipur.
Manipur state. Super. These are easy. Let's go to the odd one. Can anybody tell me 2 more left? Odd one. One more dance form is odd one. Odissi, Usha, Amay, Jayesh, Purva, Leena, super. Odissi spelling is, that Odissi is different, okay, Leena? So, Odissi, Odissi, that is correct, Samruddhi. Okay, yes, thank you. Thank you. So, there are 2-3 Odissis in the spelling. So, Odissi is originated from Orissa. Now, one more is newly added to this one. Earlier, only 7 were there. Now, there are 8, and one more is Mayurbhanj. Okay, that is also it's not added in the from Jharkhand. Okay, Satriya from Assam, correct? I think you are doing Google and everything, all the answers you are giving, Amay. So, but nice. But I like this quick answer so that we can go to the next part. So, Satriya, I'll just quickly say the classical dances of India. There are 8 classical dances of India. The one I am teaching is Bharatanatyam. Then starting from later K, there are 3 Kathak, Kathakali, Kuchipudi. Starting from later M, there are 2 Manipuri and Mohiniyattam, odd one Odissi and Satriya. Oh, super. Thank you. And let's go to the next part. We are going to do the one Doha from your grade 10. Okay, grade 10 is important for me because my son is studying in that one. Okay, because he told me to you do this one and you do that one because that is useful for my studies. You don't waste my time. Okay, so I'm not wasting your time, and otherwise my son will shout at me. I will make use that you remember whatever I am saying, and it will be helpful in your whole life. Okay. So we are going to do one Kabir's Doha. The first line of that one, the Saki. What is meant by Saki? Can anybody tell me? Saki means what?
Friend.
That is Pratyaksha Gyan.
Pratyaksha Gyan. Wow, super. So, हमें प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान साखी संध्या रानी जाधव. Yes, Saki. Saki is the first poem in the grade 10 syllabus, and I like that one. Sant Kabir is my favorite because he also has beard. No, I am also having a beard, so maybe because of that I like him. But he is very famous and Sant Shiromani of this universe, and he gave so many simple dohas which are useful in our whole life. When you are sad, when you are unhappy, because sometimes we are in our life, because that is part of our life. Okay, happiness and sadness are part of our life. Okay, you cannot be every time happy, You cannot be every time sad. So sometimes you have to be happy, sometimes you have to be sad. I know because my sister, she learned Bharatanatyam for 2 years from Pagesar. Okay, who said that one? Okay, very nice. So you have to learn from your sisters. Okay, sister also sometimes. Thank you. So Saki, the first line is, I'll just say the first line. I see. The first line goes to something like this: ऐसी बाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोई, ऐसी बाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोई, अपना तन शीतल करे औरन को सुख होई, अपना तन शीतल करे औरन को सुख होई. Okay, can one of the boy or girl can sing this first line? Then I'll just explain and we will do it with the action. Yes. No?
ऐसी बानी बोलिए मन का आपा खोई, ऐसी बानी बोलिए मन का आपा खोई, अपना तन शीतल करे औरन को सुख होई.
Okay, super. Thank you, Atharva. Very nice. And let's do it. Aisi Bani Boliye. Can you just sit and do, if you're sitting or you're standing or you are, don't sleep, okay? This is a class, no? You have to sit, so you're sitting. So we will just do the same actions so that we remember. Aisi Bani Boliye. Can you do as super Aryan? I like those actions. Yeah, you are speaking. ऐसी बाणी बोलिए मन का आपा, मन का, मन, mind. So we show with this mudra, मन का आपा खोई. So your leave, if you speak something, you have to speak softly or sweetly so that the others don't get hurt. Okay, so you have to speak with think and speak. Okay, once you speak, you cannot take your words back. So how is that one? ऐसी बाणी बोलिए मन का आपा होई, अपना tan is a body, so we show in Bharatanatyam like this something, अपना tan शीतल करे औरन को सुख होई. So first you make your body cool, but actually body, that doesn't mean cool. You speak softly, you speak calmly, then automatically the people, those who are sitting or those who are listening to you, they will speak softly. Okay, so that is the simple meaning of this one. I'll just show you once and then we will go to the next part. Okay? If you can dance with me, I actually wanted the ma'am, that I want the children to come, and I think last year I had grade 10 batch and they danced with me. I like that one. So I took in the session in the class here, and I hope Shrikant sir remember, he was there with me. I wanted principal ma'am also to be join with us, and we are going to have a session for your teachers also. Okay, your teachers are also going to dance. Okay, with you are all. We are all together. We are all have to enjoy our life through movements. Okay, I'll just show you this through movements, and then if you like, you can dance. Otherwise, you can watch me. Okay. So the movement is ऐसी बानी बोलिए मन का आपा खोई, ऐसी बानी बोलिए मन का आपा खोई, अपना तन शीतल करे औरन को सुख होई, अपना तन शीतल करे औरन को सुख होई. Okay, so the second line is super in this one. Okay, I'll just dance the second one. I like that one, and then we will go to the next part. We have to do the congruence of and triangle also. Okay, so Let's do the second part, please. What is the second line? Can anybody share? Prithvi, can you say the second line? Second doha. Can anybody share? Not only Prithvi, anybody else?
कस्तूरी कुंडली बसय मुरुग ढूंढे बनमाही ऐसे घटी घटी राम है दुनिया देखे नाही.
Yes, whatever is there, no, it's with you only. The kasturi is a deer. So we show, can everybody show me the deer? And we will take one photograph with this one. Can everybody show me a deer? Yes, super. So I want to take one photograph. At least for this photograph, can you switch on your video? Thank you, Vilas. And thank you, Atharva. Okay, I'm going to take one photograph with this. Thank you. Thank you, S. Vilas, S. Swami. Okay, I will take one photograph because at least some memory should be there. No, you are all so super dancers. I will just take with my hand. Okay, this is deer we are showing. Okay, and the deer has a kasturi in her. Okay, I'll just take one photograph so that you can I can remember you all. Thank you. So I'll just dance directly and so that we will do this one. So the thing is Kasturi Kundali Base. So in the navi of, on the stomach, the Kasturi is there. Okay. So Kasturi Kundali Base. Badalu Banmahi. Aise ghati ghati raam hai. Duniya dekhe nahi. So we all, every time we were searching in others only. The important thing is in with us. So we have to just find ourselves. Okay, we have to think, oh, what did I do today? How good I was today. So you have to just appreciate and understand the good qualities of yourself, and then you will see that the magic will happen. Okay, so you are all good children. Thank you for joining this class, Integration of Fine Arts with Nagesh Orchid School. Okay, the last two more parts left. We have 12:51 now time. So I have to finish within 20 minutes. I will finish now, and I will not take more time. You have to study and you have to go for tuitions and no school, no. So I wish you can come to school and learn. No problem. You can have the food also after this sometimes. Okay, I want. This was our poem. I cannot take all the whole poem because it will take time, and I want to do some more things with you all. So grade 9 is also with us. So otherwise these people will get angry. You are not doing anything for us. Only you are teaching grade 10 only because they are, my son is there. It's not like that. So grade 9 is maths, congruence of triangles. Can anybody tell me what is congruence of triangles?
That is, the two figures are exactly same.
Okay. Yes, Atharva, can you repeat?
The two figures are equal.
Two figures are equal. Okay. So how to do that one?
Measures
Can
of
anybody? Shri, yes.
angles are equal.
There are some theorems.
There are some
Measures
theorems.
of angles and sides of those two triangles are equal.
Super. I like that one. Okay. How can you think of how can we show triangle with our body? Okay, can we can you draw two triangles with this, like this one? Can you take this hand? This is called Hamsasya in Bharatanatyam. Okay, so there's a lot of uses we do it, okay, with this one. So we have to draw two triangles, okay. So Shrikant sir should be happy, okay, because otherwise he will, I should say it correctly, otherwise he will get angry and he will shout at me. So you have to, and I know you are all like Shrikant sir so much, and then you have to show it to Shrikant sir, this one, or you can make a video of this one and send me. How can you show two triangles with your both hands? Because in this two triangles we need, no? So can we do it this way? 1, 2, 3. Can you see a triangle? Okay. Bharatanatyam and all the Natya Shastras are all imagination. Okay. So you have to just imagine. Even in maths also, you sometimes imagine. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So x. So suppose in solution you use no. Suppose x is there. So x is also imagination. That is the answer. So like that, you have to imagine that there is a triangle. Okay. So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, go. In two triangles. Okay, I'm going to ask this movement to at least 2 or 3 children. Okay, so you have to do it with the action. You can sit and do it. I hope you can stand up and do it. I will just show you standing. First, let's do it. Understand the movements. So how is the movement? First is draw 2 triangles with the 2 hamsasya. 1, 2, 3. So you say in 2 triangles, 2 sides. Okay, this is one side and this is another side. Can you see a triangle? How many of you say yes? You can show me thumbs up. If it is yes, can you see a triangle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, this is my imagination and Prithvi has helped me, okay, in choreographing this one. And then, so once again, in 2 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 2 sides. If 2 sides, this is one side, this is another side. If 2 sides and included angle of one triangle and included angle of one triangle. Okay, this movement is there in Western classical tuning. Okay, there is a movement called when you learn Western classical dances like jive, salsa, merengue, cha-cha-cha, and in that this movement is called tuning. In if somebody has learned Western dance, how many? If anybody has learned a Western dance here? Okay, not Bollywood one. Okay, Bollywood is all folk dances. They mix and they take and copy and do. Okay, so Western classical dancing is also one type of dance. Like India, they have so many dances in all over the part of. Okay, nobody has learned, no problem. So let's do it in 2 triangles. If 2 sides and included angle of one triangle is equal to. Okay, is it looking like is equal to? Yes, super Aryan. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Aryan. I'm continuously looking at you and you are looking super. So this is equal to. Then you have to move towards the left side. Another triangle we have to show. 2 sides and included angle of the triangle of another triangle. Then 2 triangles are congruent. Okay, this is the sign of the congruency. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and there is a yes. Yes, is it correct? No. Okay. Oh yeah, you can do it like that also. Aryan is doing some different action, so I like that one. So ting ting something like that. Okay. So okay, Omkar is also joined with us. Thank you, Omkar, for joining, for showing your video. So this is the sign of congruence. 2 lines and then there is one. Then then these 2 triangles are congruent to each other according to congruence, SAS congruency rule. Okay, I'll just stand up and do it once and then we'll go to the next part. So how will I practice that one? So actually I'm going to record this one and I'll put it on the YouTube also so that you can make use of this, and I'm going to make all the 5 rules. Okay, I did it for some of the, you can see these videos of poem, Saki poem on the YouTube. Okay, you can just type Srinivas Katwe on Google or YouTube. You will see so many videos. In that, you have to find CBSC first poem, Hindi poem. Okay, you will find this congruency of triangles in the on the YouTube also. That also you can just for a reference you can take it. Okay, I'll just show you the first one. The criteria of congruence of triangles. The first one, into triangles. Okay, so you say ABC or you say PQR. There are two triangles. No, we have takitta and dhikitta, like that, two triangles. Okay, so we are all connected with Bharatanatyam only. Okay, because I am Bharatanatyam dancer, so automatically my body will move like that. So we have two triangles, ta, ki, ta, dhi, ki, ta. Then these are the two triangles, two sides, and its included angle of one triangle is equal to two sides and its included angle of another triangle named theta. Then two triangles are congruent to each other by SAS congruence rule. Okay, that was the movement. Actually, some more movements are there, but it will take time to tell me. I'll just introduce this one to you. Okay, let's go to the last part of our session. It's called dance meditation. Okay, how many of you do meditation in the morning? Nobody is doing meditation. Okay, Prithvi, as he will do it every morning and he will encourage ourselves. See, I do. Okay, Atharva, thank you. So you have to do it early in the morning or whenever you get time. Me too, Amay, super. So you are all friends, no? So you are all same only. Aryan, Atharva, Prithvi, and so they are all together and they talk with each other and they share their thoughts. And you have to sometimes share with your friend your thoughts. Okay, super. So, but this music, this meditation is about this meditation. This music is for dance meditation, it is called. So there are few things which I'm going to tell you when you are very sad or you have sometimes you are low, no? Sometimes you are low. I have to study this also. I have to study maths. I have to study science, English, Hindi, chemistry, biology, physics, and economics, French, Chinese. And sometimes you study French, Chinese also, no? Because some Chinese videos you will see and then unnecessary things will go inside the brain and that will not come out. And then the same things is repeated in your brain. Oh, that thing in that video, that was happened. Yes, no, Aryan?
Yes.
Yes, because sometimes you see so many videos from China, Africa, and Australia, and London, and those videos will trouble you like anything because now you are growing children, no, you are teenagers, and teenagers have so many thoughts in their mind, and at a time, if so many thoughts are coming, then it's so difficult to decide what to do. So to decide that, you need to relax and think, and you have to say it's okay. So you have to think, oh, okay, so everything is fine. You have to just say to your mind, and like Three Idiots movie, what you have to say in the, there is one dialogue in the Three Idiots.
All is well.
All is well.
All is well.
All is well. So you have to keep the hand on the chest and you have to say, wow, all is well, all is well. Don't worry, Srinivas, everything is fine and everything is, all is well. You have to say all is well. Every time you have to say to yourself, all is well. So then everything will become well, and you will find the complete happiness in your. So let's go to the 4-minute meditation. Be like Rancho. Yes, Lina, be like Rancho. Okay, so we cannot copy anybody, so we should not be like Rancho or anybody. We have to be like ourselves only. Whatever we are. So we, whatever you are, you are. So you think what is right and what is wrong. You decide what is correct and what is wrong. Okay, so don't be like anybody, be like what you are. Okay, so super. You have to just talk to every time, every day, every night, what you are doing. Super. So let's go to the last 4-minute session of dance meditation. In this, you have to close your eyes. Okay, but not now. Not now. Don't close now. So I'll tell you when to close your eyes, and then you have to listen to the music. If you can move your hands and legs and do some action, and it's very nice. If somebody is there or somebody is around you and you don't want to do the action, that's okay. You can just listen to the music. At least you can dance through with your mind. Okay, so in that, first you have to do it is a brisk breathing. Can anybody do this one? You have to just do the breathing. Push your stomach inside and do the breathing. Yeah. Can you do it once? Kapalbhati. Yes, Leena. Yes, that is called Kapalbhati only. Okay. I'm very, so like Kapalbhati only, you have to do it. So let's do it first. There is, I have some instructions also in the given in the music. That 4-minute session, we will do it. But I'll just tell you what is there in that session, so that those movements you can do it while closing your eyes. So first you have to do a brisk breathing or chaotic breathing. Can you do it now? Yes, Aryan, do it. Yes. Can everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing. Super. So the next one, second one is there is then you have to move your hands, or you can just shout anything. Anything you can shout for some time. Anything, whatever you can. Okay, that the parents will get. The parents will shout at you. Why are you shouting? Teacher is telling you to shout, and the teacher is telling you to shout, but the parents will tell, why are you shouting? Okay, but I'm telling you to shout because that energy, that unnecessary burden of stress to should come out. Okay, can anybody shout in the two people? Can anybody shout? See, when ma'am will tell you not to speak or not to shout, then you will start speaking. And then when I'm telling you to shout or scream, can anybody scream? No, you are all good children. No, if teacher is telling to shout also, you will not shout. Okay, no problem. Okay, so super. So don't, sometimes you have to. When you are alone in the room or in the house, so you have to just shout and bring out that energy, and that is there with that one. And then you have to do few sounds I'm going to tell you. So can you say can you say those sounds? Open your mouth and say, okay, 1 minute. I'll just take this one. I'll just close. Okay. What I was telling? You have to say ho, 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 or some movement, some action, some things. You have to say it. I'm going to send this music to everyone so that you can do it when you are alone in the house or anywhere, and you can just relax and close your eyes and do this one. And then in the end, when you move your body and in the this one, and then you have to freeze. Okay, freeze in the sense you have to stand there like still, and then you have to understand your body and your movement. This will come in the contemporary style of dancing. You have to just stand and understand your body movements, understand your breathing and pain if it is there. Okay, so last 4 minutes, bear with me, children. You can either switch on your mic, switch on your video, or switch off. I will just play the music, and then you can close your eyes now and listen to the music. And if you don't want to close, you can see my I'm doing the action. If you remember, if you want to do with me, you can do it, or you can just close your eyes.
Welcome to Shri Amrita Dance Meditation. Chaotic breathing. Shake your body and breathe vigorously. Consciously release your energy. Shout, scream, cry, laugh. Put your hands up, jump and sing. Now stop and freeze wherever you are and observe your body. Namaste and thank you.
Okay, that's the end of today's session, children. Thank you. Thank you, Lena, for giving me 2 thumbs up. And if you like this session, please, okay, two good. Sandhya Rani Zadhav, thank you. And Hasini, thank you for 1 thumbs up. And you can share your thoughts, your understanding. I'm going to share this music. Thank you, Sandhya Rani. And then you can, whenever you are sad, whenever you are unhappy, you can just listen to this music, do your movement and relax, and you have to say to yourself, it's okay, everything will be fine, don't worry. And you have to do well in your grade 10 and 9th exam, and I hope, I know you are good, all good. And thank you, and let's end with thank you, Omkar, thank you for your 2 thumbs up. And yes, thank you, Sandarani. Let's end with a prayer. I usually start with a prayer and end with a prayer, because prayer is only just listening this song makes me feel very relaxed and calm. Very thank you. Thank you. It was very nice. Thank you, Rajkumar. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for beautiful lecture. Aryan, thank you. And you can share your thoughts on to me directly, or you can share on my Google also. If you type Srini Amba, there is Srinivas Katwe or Srini Amba, you can type and you can share. I hope the session will be helpful for your whole life, and you remember this for your session. Okay, thank you. Let's end with the prayer. Close your eyes, and I wish I can meet you all once. I will ask Principal Ma'am and Shrikant sir, so that one session with live one-to-one interaction I wanted. And you will shortly see your teacher also dancing with you all. And I want some of the girls also to do with me Bharatanatyam, and some boys also. Okay, nowadays boys are also, so many boys, if you see on the YouTube, there are so many boys are coming for Bharatanatyam sessions. And let's end with the prayer. Karacharana kritam va. Okay, it will be nice for taking once again. Okay, yes. If your school call me once again, I will definitely come, and we will have so much of fun. But we will have the live session once. Let's end with the prayer. Karacharana kritam va. Kayajam karmajam va. Shravananayanajam va. Manasam va paradham. Vihitam avihitam va. सर्वमे तच्चमस्व. जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो. श्री महादेव शंभो. Thank you, children. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On the behalf of Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School, as
Okay.
a class 9th and 10th representative, I am here for
Oh,
helping
Tehsil
you.
Sheikh was a ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, I did not know. Okay, so
I
thank
am
you,
teacher.
Tehsil.
I am SST teacher for 9th and 10th standard.
Okay,
Sir.
thank you. We would have done some.
Session was very interesting, sir. You taught us so many new things.
Yes.
Math, Hindi. We learned through different dance forms. So that's why
Yes.
thank you very much. And on the behalf of our Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School, I will declare that session is over. And student, if you want to ask any question or ask or discuss your opinion, you can unmute your mic and talk. If you don't want to ask any question, then leave the class. Thank you.
Yeah. If any question is there, we can just have. Otherwise, you can directly message me or message the school or anybody. Anything, whatever you want to do, you can ask. Please teach us more hands. Yes, definitely will teach the mudras, the hand movements, the fun with the mudras. Okay, we have a session called fun with mudras. Okay, I do so much of fun with the mudras. So one session we will have with the mudras.